I rise to support the demands and oppose the cut motion. I would like to speak on demand number 57, Department of Social Welfare. पयली उलयता आसतना आमची अटल आसरा योजना स्कीम हाजेर उलयता आसतना मंत्र्याचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता आनी आभारी म्हणटा की आमची ह्या स्किमी खातीर आमचे खुबशे लोकांक आमचे हू कम अंडर द कॅटेगरी ऑफ EWS, OBC, SC खूबसो फायदो जाल्लो आसा आनी तांणी अमेंडमेंट करून ह्या स्किमीक फायनली आमचे जे लोकांक त्रास जाताले बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट हॅविंग ओनरशीप ऑफ देयर लँड्स हे तांणी अमेंडमेंट करून हे फायनली ह्या लोकांक स्कीम अवेल जाल्या नाल्यार फायली तांच्यो परत परत रिटर्न वताल्यो कित्याक बिकॉज ऑफ लॅक ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड पेपर्स म्हणटकच आतां हे जे 1.5 लाख खुबशे आमचे लोकांक तांकां ही सँक्शन जाल्ले आसा आनी तांकां हे पाविल्ले आसा पयशे पयली हे आमचे जे जागे आसा ते अलवारा आनी गव्हर्मेंट लँडाचेर आशिल्ले सो तांकां हे फायली पयली वताल्यो सो आतां 15 वर्सां आमकां मामलेदाराची सर्टिफिकेट आनी 30 वर्सां आमची पंचायतीची सर्टिफिकेट मेळून आमी जेन्ना माननीय मंत्र्या कडेन हो मांडलो विशय तेन्ना इमिजिएटली तांणी चेंज करून हे आतां आमच्या लोकांक तांच्यो फायली तरी क्लियर जावपाक लागल्या आनी आय एम अगेन थँकफूल टू मिनिस्टर की तांणी एक 27 मे 2025 एक व्हडलो कॅम्प घेतिल्लो आमच्या वालपय म्युनिसिपालिटीन फॉर आमचे पर्या मतदारसंघा खातीर आनी थंय तांकां ऑलमोस्ट 300 एप्लिकेशन्स मेळिल्लीं आनी आय एम थँकफूल टू देयर ऑफिसर्स फ्रॉम सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट आणि डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आणि मामलेदार सगळ्यांनी एकत्र येऊन दे हेल्प्ड मोर दॅन 300 एप्लिकंट्स बाय प्रोवायडींग देम द नेसेसरी गायडन्स आणि डॉक्युमेंटेशन टू कंप्लीट तातूंतले आफ्टर दॅट कॅम्प एक 22 लोकांक पयशे मेळिल्ले आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा की जे बाकीचे लोकांचे फायली पेंडींग आसा ते माननीय मंत्री जाता तितले बेगीन तेय बी पयशे तांकां सँक्शन करतले दयानंद सोशल सिक्युरिटी स्किमीचे उलयता आसतना फॉर विडोज लास्ट असेंब्ली सेशनान हांवें पॉयंट हायलायट केल्लो की आमचे जे विडोज आसा जे विधवा आसा तांकां फ्रॉम EWS बॅकग्रावंड तांकां त्रास जाताले गृह आधार मेळटाले आनी ते ट्रान्झिशन इट वॉज अ डिफिकल्ट पिरियड पण अगेन आय वॉन्ट टू थँक द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर for resolving this issue and finally financial assistance from 2,500 per month to 4,000 tanka ata melpak lagla for widows who are having children less than 21 years and of widows after children with more than 21 years tanka 2,500 मेळटा पण एक परत आमचे माननीय मंत्र्याक सांगपा सोदता की आमचे टू अवेल द DSS scheme it is mandatory for applicants to submit birth certificate, residence certificate of 15 years, marriage certificate. However, applicants are facing the following issues. Senior persons who have not registered their birth, any affidavit from notary or mamledar instead of the birth certificate has been withdrawn. Similarly, affidavit from notary or mamledar instead of the marriage certificate has also been withdrawn and such cases are kept in abeyance. So, Ajir Machar tumi laksh diyat kidak many people who are eligible but tumche department is not accepting those certificates ani tanche faili are getting parat vata tyo faili. Ata pension to widows and senior citizens under DSS tanka पयली 2000च मेळटाले but ata all of them with this new revision widows even above 60 years of age will continue to receive 2,500 per month. So thank you honorable minister की परत तुम्ही आणि एक चेंज हाडली in another scheme for the हे मातशे 5 मिनटां दियात उलोवपाक कित्याक खूब आमकां आमच्या भागाक हो विशय व्हेरी क्लोज टू अस आणि खूब फायदो जाता आणि आमी प्रत्येक फावटी डिमांड करता मिनिस्टरा कडेन आणि when minister does the work we have to thank the minister and praise him also. So 5 मिनटां दियात मिनिस्टराक praise करपाक. So I acknowledge the achievements and efforts by the social welfare department with that the department has recovered almost 60 crores from non-eligible beneficiaries under the DSS schemes from the banks. Parat, they have conducted a survey of DSS beneficiaries to identify bogus, expired and non-eligible beneficiaries and has successfully eliminated 16,000 beneficiaries, thereby saving over 3 crores every month, resulting in overall savings of 36 crores per year. All pre-matric, post-matric scholarships are fully dispersed as on date. Palliative care financial assistance scheme ही सुरू केल्या in collab with Dilasa Hospital. एक खूप बरे दिसता. Nasha Mukt Bharat is a large-scale campaign again to rescue and reform youth from drug addiction. हे सगळे under social welfare department आम्ही वेगळे schemes पळयल्या and they are getting implemented beautifully and reaching अंत्योदय तत्वपर्यंत आम्ही जे उलयतात आमचे जे माननीय प्रधानमंत्रीजी जी संकल्पना आसा ते आम्ही पळयतात it is happening at ground level. When we are speaking on department for Tanja's department number 89 for empowerment of persons with disability, they recently conducted a very huge camp at Warpoy आणि 30 May आणि ताजो फायदो खूबशे लोकांक जाला and सगळे आमचे जे डिसेबल्ड भाव भयणां आसा तांकां हो असेसमेंट कॅम्प जालो आणि खूबशे लोकांक थंय हियरिंग एड जावनी की व्हीलचेअर जावनी ट्रायसिकल्स वॉकर्स सगळे आयडेंटिफाय करून तांकां तांचे लिस्ट घेवन तांकां आतां आमी होपफुली आय एम कॉन्फिडंट दॅट ऑल एप्लिकेशन्स विल बी प्रोसेस्ड बाय द डिपार्टमेंट अँड एड्स विल बी प्रोवायडेड टू द पीपल विथ डिसेबिलिटी ऑन प्रायोरिटी. Barrier free access, parat last time आम्ही आजो उल्लेख केल्लो and we had highlighted the hardships faced by the people आणि I again extend my sincere gratitude की आमचे police station वालपोय, CHC वालपोय, government complex वालपोय, government higher secondary वालपोय, these have all been made barrier free access. Thank you, Minister sir. I would like to thank the Honourable Minister and the State Commissioner for the Department of Person with Disability for providing 2 motorized bikes with side wheel attachment. आमचे 2 दिव्यांग भाव आशिल्ले तांचे खातीर and last year तांचे आमी हांगाच असेंब्ली कॉम्प्लेक्सानच तांकां दिल्ले पोरू 1 वर्स जातले. Pradhan Mantri Divyansh Kendra has been set up at Goa Medical College, Bamboli. This noble initiative of the government is specially to help the Divyang and senior citizens to avail free appliances on immediate basis, subject to completion of the required assessment. International Purple Festival. I would like to praise the department for organizing 2 successful editions of the International Purple Fest. For the upcoming International Purple Fest, Goa government has collaborated with United Nations and the Union government, and it's a very proud moment for us. A spinal cord rehab center, Rugnashaya, Bamboli, that has been started and it provides comprehensive rehabilitation for individuals with spinal cord injuries, which is an initiative between the department, same department, and the office State Commissioner of PWD. I congratulate the department for the successful organizing 187 different sports events at the Para-National Athletics at the Bamboli Sports Complex. Para-National Swimming Championship held at Kampal recorded a high number of participants. Speaker sir, last uleta asthana demand number 87, Department of Archaeology. I take this opportunity to thank the Honourable Minister for notifying Nanus Fort, the rock carvings at Maushi and Krantivir Dipaji Rane's house at Kumarkhand as protected monuments and sites of historical importance in Sattari Taluka. Nanus Fort आमकां खबर आसा स्पीकर सर, पण ताची मातशी फायल प्रोसेस जावना. We all know the significance, historical significance of the fort, पण ताची अजून file is pending with your department. So we are in the process of compiling the required documents for submission to archaeology. पण मागता की जाता तितले बेगीन मातशे ही फायल प्रोसेस करून to promote interland tourism, the fort should be beautified. At the same time, rock carvings at Maushi. I want to just reiterate the importance to maintain the natural ecological integrity of these sites. I request to build a museum for these rock carvings. The Utkan Pausache Disan Utkan Butta, and they are very old rock carvings. They belong to the Neolithic period. Manje itli poni dates back to thousands of centuries old. But tumi tar ek shade, ek museum tar the banlo. This will help us to promote interland tourism, because these are really old carvings, and every monsoon they are getting submerged underwater. So mache kide tari mache begin if you take action on this. Krantivir late Dipaji Rane's Garabaddal ami आमकां खबर आसा तांणी द रिवोल्ट नानू स्फोटाचे रिवोल्ट अगेन्स्ट द पोर्चुगीज सो तांचे घर जे तुमी ऑलरेडी नोटिफाय केलां एज अ प्रोटेक्टेड मॉन्युमेंट सायट सो जाता तितले बेगीन ताजे मातशे एक हेरिटेज पॉलिसीचे उलयता आसतना आय टेक दीस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी to thank the Minister for notifying the Goa State Heritage Policy 2520 आणि परत एकदा थँक यू व्हेरी मच म्हणटा हांव तांकां की तांच्या स्किमी खातीर आमच्या लोकांक खुबसो फायदो जाता आनी आमचे जे कितें पेंडींग आसा ज्यो उरल्या स्किमी इम्प्लिमेंट जावपाच्यो आमचे आर्किओलॉजीचे जे कितें डिमांड्स आसा ते मातशे जाता तितले बेगीन जावचे म्हणून थँक्यू स्पीकर.